Hello, my name is Rick Karkin. I'm an independent events director with the Pampered Chef from Manchester, New Hampshire. If you're watching this video, it's because your consultant shared it with you to help your party be as successful as possible and to also make it easy for you. The first thing I'm going to have you do, if you please expand your screen. If you click at this box right here, this little square box, if you click on that, it'll open the screen up to full vision, so it'll be a little easier for you to see what I'm doing. You can always hit escape to reduce it back down. So you received an invitation from your consultant, and she's or he has set up a party for you, and you need to sign into it so you can get your guest list done. If you've never set up a password with your email address, this is what we're going to do to help you do that. Once you get to their website, you're going to look for sign in right here. You'll click on the sign in, and you're going to get these two boxes right here. You're going to type in your email address in this spot right here where it says username. Username is where your email address goes, and your email address actually becomes your account number. And then you're going to click on forgot your password right here. So the box pops open, forgot your password. In a few minutes, you'll get an email from the home office with a link to a reset command. You're going to type in your password again and type it in one at a time, duplicating to make sure that it's correct. And then you will be all set. You're going to come back to the screen, type in your password here. I should say type your email here, which I'm going to now do so you can see what happens. And then we're going to put in the password and then sign in. And notice what it does. It actually acknowledges you. It's right here in this corner. It's going to say hi and then your name. Right above that, you're going to see this drop-down box. It says shows you're invited to or hosting. If you just left a party last night from your friend and you agreed to have a party and this is being set up, you might see your friend's name in here as well because you were invited to it. But you're going to drop this down and you're going to look for your name. And then you're going to select show. Right underneath your name, you'll see the words select show. Click on that. Now you're going to be in the host screen. And this is a really powerful screen. It's got some amazing tools that only hosts get to use. Over here, you're going to see the host tools. In here, you see your show information, your host rewards, planning a great show. There's all kinds of great tips in here on how to have a great show. Here's where you're going to do your guest list. And here's where you can actually check your orders to see how they're doing for anybody who's ordering online. But we're going to click on the guest list. And what you're going to do is you click on Add Guest, type in their first name, their last name, and their email address. And I always recommend to my people to don't retype an email address. If you have an email address that you know is working, cut and paste it. If you drop one character, the email address becomes corrupt. So it's always best to cut and paste email addresses so you know you're getting them correct. As far as all the rest of the information is concerned, let your friends fill that in so that they have it accurate. You may have something inaccurate in your computer, so leave that to them. They're going to get their email here, and they can set up their own password, and they can set up their own account information when they get the email. So once you've added them in, what you're going to do is you go through the whole list, and you're going to check them off. You can check off everybody by using this one top box right here, or you can select individuals throughout the whole list and do special emails. What I'm going to do is show you what the first email you're going to send out. You have to first check off their names, then you do choose action, and the very first one is send e-invitation. Click on that. And you're going to be popped into this screen. This is your e-invitation. And you can personalize it. You can send a copy to yourself, and you can send a copy to your consultant. You can create the subject line. You can write your own information right in here. And then you send the email off to your customer. And what ends up happening is they get an email. You get a confirmation here. They get an email that looks something like this right here. And what they need to do is click on Shop Now. They can decline once they get in there, but when they click on the Shop Now, they've got some great features themselves. Look over here. They can actually invite more people to your party for you. We always encourage our hosts to, when they contact their friends, to remind them about the party, to bring a friend that I don't know. And this is a great way for your friends to do that. They can type in their name. And notice all they have in here for information is first name, last name, and email. You let the rest fall to the person whose account it belongs to. And that is basically it, folks. That's all there is to getting your show rolling, up and going. Work with your consultant, and he or she will take care of you. Have fun.